What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter change on a 2016 Subaru WRX. Like I said, this is a 2016 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. Or to get access to that, we need to open the glove box. And if we look on the right-hand side, we're going to see the dampening latch right here. This is what allows the glove box to come down slowly. To remove that, we're going to pull it off of there. We're going to pull it straight to our right. So if we just get our thumb around it, pull off of there like that. Once we have that unhooked, we can pull the glove box the rest of the way down. And what we need to do is on both sides, we need to pull in, and then it's going to allow it to come down. There's some stops back here that need to clear this part. So we'll start on this side. We're going to pull in and then pull down a little bit. Come over here and do the same thing. Pulling in. And then that allows that to come down. And it can take a good amount of pressure to get that off. So once you get that undone, the glove box will just pull off of there. And we can go ahead and set that to the side. Now if we look under here, we're going to see this piece right here where it says push with the arrow up. And that's actually our filter. So if you can just grab a hold of it like this and pull it out. As you can see, this one's quite dirty. So we'll set that to the side. I'm gonna grab our new filter here. And we just want the same orientation. You want the arrow that says up, you want that pointing up. And also I should mention, if there's any extra, you see little leaves or debris like that, you can go ahead and pick that out of there. And after the video, I'll probably even come back in and wipe this one down. But in order to get it installed, again, just pay attention to that arrow pointing up. Make sure it pushes all the way in until it clicks. And then to get it back together, you reverse everything we just did. Now in the beginning, I mentioned this dampening latch. And that may come off of there like this one did. Let's see if we can get a shot of this. If yours comes off there and it's loose like that, there's a little tab right here that it needs to sit on. And then that's going to keep it straight when you put it back together. So make sure that's on there like that. We'll take our glove box, line these latches up, flip it up, put this part of the latch back on, and close it up, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.